Okay, this is what it looked like when you're out there in there. This is what it looked like when you're out there. Anybody want to say anything this morning? Nada? What you want to say, man?
A little bit early.
Uh-huh.
Gotta get that pounded in.
What's the goal for today?
Hit Dallas.
Uh-huh.
Hit Tulsa.
Uh-huh.
It's going to be pissing us all day. Raining like a motherfucker all day.
Raining all day. So if y'all ain't got the gear, I don't know what to tell you.
You gotta have the gear.
I'm learning as I go. I think I was ready, but you know, you never know.
Boots though. You need
Yeah, I need.
gotta
Gotta hope. Y'all. See, I'm finna be soggy feet now. Okay, I'm learning, y'all. I'm in training. Okay, but they get a chance to buy something, I'm copping. Okay, we gotta go. We gotta go up and out, up and out, up and out. See, wet.
What you doing, bro?
The rain is stopping for now. Hopefully we can continue on pushing. Next stop, Tulsa, Oklahoma. Hey, the marathon continues. Keep on pushing. Gotta get them state lines. See, we're walking it out. That's it was not designed to walk on the shoulder. I'm not feeling this safely. That's the goal line. Boy, it's hazardous out here. Man. Somebody put their bike too close to the sidewalk. Let me get on this freeway. We're about 21 deep now. Yeah, that part right there. You see them. Like I said before, only way you're gonna see this as if you were here. Another part face up. There you go.
All of us gonna take the same shot, or what?
Everybody gotta get in.
Okay, here we go. So we ran with day 3, ended over here in Shreveport. So we jumped from Shreveport, hit the Dallas chapter, ran up from there up to Tulsa over here to Oklahoma City. Ended, I think I lost a GoPro over here at Best Buy, so I think it was around about Joplin or something like that. So for day 4, Shreveport, Shreveport, Dallas, Tulsa, and Joplin, total of 438 miles. We got a 6 over here, got a 7 over here, got a 6 over here. It was an early day, it was sunshine when we pulled over. But the next day, we're back in the rain. Hey, it is what it is.